Hi guys, this is Miss Caruso, and today you will be learning how to create topic sentences and paragraphs for your research paper. Alright, I have created a PowerPoint for us that will hopefully help you understand exactly what I'm talking about. So first, to create your topic sentences and paragraphs, you will need your topic, your 3 subtopics or main points, and you'll also need your notes or details on each subtopic. You should have at least 3 on each. Next, we are going to take our information and we are going to create a topic sentence. So each paragraph will have a topic sentence that consists of your topic and your main point. So for example, my topic is going to be Medusa, and my first main point is going to be family. I'm going to put those together and add a transition. So my topic sentence will be, one thing that is interesting about Medusa is that she has a very unique family. After each topic sentence, you'll have to finish your paragraph. Each paragraph should be somewhere between 4 and 5 sentences minimum. So after creating this topic sentence, you'll use your notes and your details that we've been taking from researching to create our items for our subtopics. So my notes consist of Medusa's parents, Medusa's sisters, and Pegasus and Chrysaor, who could be her possible children. When we're making sentences from our notes, we have to be sure to paraphrase. Hopefully you have taken notes and bullet points, so this will be very easy for you. My notes on Medusa's parents are that Phorcys, a sea god, and Ceto, the sea goddess, are the parents. So I have created the sentence. Medusa's parents were Phorcys and Ceto, the sea god and goddess before Poseidon. Okay, my next notes on the topic of Medusa's family are Medusa's sisters. I have that they are all Gorgons. Stethano means mighty. Euryale means far springer. And that they all have snake hair, wings, and they have boar tusks. So my sentence is, Medusa and her sisters, Stethano and Euryale, are known as the Gorgons, who have snakes for hair, wings, and boar tusks. My last set of notes are Pegasus and Chrysaor, possible child, question mark, flew out of the neck when killed by Perseus. Medusa is said to have 2 possible children, Pegasus and Chrysaor, who flew from her neck when she was beheaded by Perseus. Since this was my third and final note, it will be my last sentence of the paragraph. Next, we just need to put all of our sentences together. So my entire paragraph sounds like this. One thing that is interesting about Medusa is that she has a very unique family. Medusa's parents were Phorcys and Ceto, the sea god and goddess before Poseidon. Medusa and her sisters, Stethano and Euryale, are known as the Gorgons, who have snakes for hair, wings, and boar tusks. Medusa is said to have 2 possible children, Pegasus and Chrysaor, who flew from her neck when she was beheaded by Perseus. And there you have it, the way to write a topic sentence and a paragraph. You'll need to complete the same steps for all 3 of your main points or your subtopics. If you have any other questions, please ask your teacher.